Welcome to Funwitrin, the coolest place to solve fun riddles and tricky brain teasers. Are you ready? Let's get riddling! What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? A palm tree. What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing, it just waved. Why did the chicken join a band? Because it had the drumsticks. Why was the cat sitting on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because it felt crummy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.